Increase productivity and reduce the risk of workplace injuries with the Global Industrial Electric Pallet Jack. This self-propelled pallet jack is constructed from heavy-duty steel with a durable powder coat finish. It combines low maintenance, safety, a long battery life, and consistent power output to quickly move large quantities of palletized goods. Featuring a 3,300-pound weight capacity and moving at a maximum speed of 2.7 miles per hour when loaded, operators can transport cargo quickly and efficiently. The pallet jack is powered by a rechargeable and swappable lithium-iron phosphate battery housed in a protected battery case. The battery will provide 3 hours of continuous operation, and a compact charger is also included. The rear drive wheel is fully enclosed in an operator tow guard for added safety. Pallet jack is 27 inches wide. Forks are 48 inches long and 6 inches wide. Distance between forks is 15 inches. Navigate warehouses easily with a 57-degree turning radius for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. In addition to standard forward, reverse, and belly bump controls, this pallet jack also features a turtle mode, vertical tiller mode, and emergency mode. The pallet jack can be maneuvered at turtle speed for precise movements while leaving the control yoke in the vertical position. To activate vertical mode, press and hold the turtle button while engaging the drive controller. Emergency mode overrides the electromagnetic brake and allows the pallet jack to be moved manually. Learn more about our material handling equipment online. Global Industrial, the source for industrial equipment and supplies.